5 kilometers in open water. I was just building the businesses. I was entrepreneur. I was having a sedentary life, sitting all day, meeting to meetings. Everything was great. However, my personal health was slowly going down. I wasn't dramatically sick, but my stress level started increasing. My motivation towards day-to-day life started decreasing. I started being less active, and I started gaining weight. And that wasn't something I could change on my own. Nowadays, regarding our health, we've been told that health is our responsibility, that we have to be disciplined, that we have to go to the gym, wake up early, stay motivated. What if it's not just our responsibility? What if this change builds around the community, builds during the belongings? Currently in a world, number one sickness is cardiovascular problems. And Uzbekistan is number 5 in the world that with the cardiovascular diseases. And 60% of people in Uzbekistan die because of that. And how can we change that? On my early journey, when I wanted to change my lifestyle, I signed up to the gym. I had a plan. I couldn't stick to it. Then I signed up for the running group. I didn't want to go. It was cold. It was early morning. But I forced myself. But what I learned in that first community run, that people gave me energy. I didn't like it at the beginning, but we start talking. After the run, we start for the coffee. We start engaging. And I start slowly building a confidence for some change. Then I signed up to the gym where it was focused around the community. I had the days I didn't want to go. Some of my friends just came to my door to support me, saying to push me through the difficult periods. And there is a study at the Harvard University. They studied the people for 80 years. They learned all about them, their marital statuses, their jobs, their cholesterol levels, how they live in their day-to-day lives. And the biggest thing they found, their longevity and happiness in their life is not their status, not how much money they're making, not even genetics. It was their community. How they engage with their close friends, relatives, and that increased their longevity and happiness in their life. Currently, we live in a technology world. We disconnect from each other. But the loneliness is the same as the smoking. Imagine loneliness as dangerous as cigarettes. When I stood on my first Ironman start, there is a big wave, you stay next to thousands of people. And I was looking back, not at my trainings, not how much work I put into it. I was thinking about how I got there. My friends, my family, my community, the people in the club, how they supported me. Early morning swims, difficult runs, and how we went through the difficult cycling. And that was pushing me through every single day when I didn't want to do something. And that what made me change in me through my lifestyle to start being more active, looking after my health. And now, the building the community, it always starts with one person. Yes, I'm right now entrepreneur. I build technology products. I build businesses. However, I try to build around the community. Because person motivates other people. Not your coach, not the gym, but your friends and your colleagues. Imagine the gym is not full of machines. It's full of people who can encourage you every single day. The marathon is not 42 kilometers. It's thousands of people who drive you towards forward, who change, who make an impact in your lifestyles. Your work colleagues, you don't imagine they're not taking the meetings at the office every single day, but you're going out for a walk. And community goes beyond the sport. It's around families organizing various picnics, friends going to the parks, colleagues walking around together, or organizing various team buildings and events. And when it comes to our health, we should ask the question, not how can I get healthier, but with whom? Because that's a big part. When you go through the difficulty, when you go through the down and ups, you need your friends, you need your colleagues, you need your family who can support you throughout your journey. Thank you.